In this video, we will discuss about types of covalent bonds. Depending upon the number of pair of electrons shared, covalent bond is of following types. Single covalent bond, it is also called as single bond, double covalent bond, and the third type is triple covalent bond. Number 1, single covalent bond, it is also known as single bond. A covalent bond which is formed by the sharing of one pair of electrons is called as single bond. Single covalent bond is denoted by a single horizontal short line. In this type of bond, the two atoms, they share one electron of each element to form a single covalent bond. The compounds which contains single covalent bond are hydrogen chloride, water, methane, and ammonia. In this example of water, you will see that the electronic configuration of oxygen is 2,6. It requires only 2 electrons to complete its octet state. At the same time, the electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1. It requires 1 electron to complete its duplet state. So, oxygen atom, it shares its 2 electrons with 2 hydrogen atoms, and therefore 2 single covalent bonds are formed between the hydrogen and oxygen. That's why water is a compound which contains a single covalent bond. For easier understanding, we will take another example of hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride is made up of two elements, hydrogen and chlorine. The electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1. It requires 1 electron to complete its duplet state. The another element, chlorine, which has a electronic configuration 287, to complete its octet state, chlorine requires 1 electron. So therefore, hydrogen and chlorine, they shares 1 electron each with themselves, and a pair of electron is shared between the hydrogen and chlorine, and that's why there is a formation of HCl. Now, HCl molecule is formed due to the sharing of one pair of electron. That's why the above said two examples means the water and hydrogen chloride gas, they contains a single covalent bond. You have to keep one thing in your mind, that a single bond is formed due to the sharing of one pair of electrons. The second type of covalent bond is double covalent bond. For in a simplified version, it is called as double bond. The definition of this bond is a covalent bond which is formed by the sharing of two pair of electrons, each called as double bond. The double bond between the two atoms is denoted by a double line. The examples of double covalent bond containing compounds are oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. In this part, we will discuss how the oxygen molecule is formed and how the oxygen atoms in a oxygen molecule, how they are bonded by double bond with each other. So, we will study how the oxygen molecule is formed. Oxygen molecule contains two atoms of oxygen. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. Therefore, its electronic configuration is 2,6. As there are 6 electrons in its outermost orbit, it requires 2 electrons to acquire stable electronic configuration. Each oxygen atom shares its valence electrons with the valence electron of another oxygen atom to give two shared pair of electrons forming double bond. Now look at this one. In oxygen molecule, there are the two oxygen atoms. The one oxygen atom has a electronic configuration 2,6. The second oxygen atom also have the electronic configuration 2,6. So that's why both the oxygen atoms, they requires 2 electrons for acquiring the stable electronic configuration. In this case, no atom can donate electron. They have only one choice, and the choice is of sharing. So that's why both oxygen atoms, they shares two pair of electrons with each other, and therefore there is a formation of the double bond. This double line, it indicates that between the two oxygen atoms there is a double bond, or we can say that the two oxygen atoms, they are bonded to each other by a double bond. A single line will represent one pair of electrons, and a double line will represent two pairs of electrons. So in oxygen molecule, or you can say in carbon dioxide molecule, the bond is formed due to the sharing of two pair of electrons, and that's why these two compounds, oxygen and carbon dioxide, they are doubly bonded covalent compounds. The third type of covalent bond is a triple covalent bond. It is also called as triple bond. This triple covalent bond is formed by the sharing of three pair of electrons, and that's why it is called as triple bond. This triple covalent bond is denoted by triple line. The examples are nitrogen gas and acetylene. In this, we will discuss how the nitrogen gas molecule is formed. So we are going to discuss the formation of a nitrogen molecule. As the formula of nitrogen gas suggests, there are the two nitrogen atoms. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7, and therefore its electronic configuration is 2,5. Nitrogen atom requires 3 more electrons to complete second cell and to attain the stable electronic configuration. Nitrogen is a non-metal, so that's why it has a tendency to share the electrons. So therefore, two nitrogen atoms comes close together and share three pair of electrons with each other, because each nitrogen atom requires 3 electrons to complete its octet state, and therefore when both the nitrogen atoms, they shares 3 pair of electrons with each other, there is a formation of the triple covalent bond.